graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening. We are gathered here to witness an important event in our life, our graduation day. I rejoice with you, dear graduates of today, for we have successfully completed our 4 years on the part of the secondary and 6 years on the part of the elementary. Congratulations! Tonight, I am so amazed and overwhelmed because we made it. We have finally made it. At last, we are graduating. Naaalala ko pa po, 10 years ago. Isang batang musmos pa lamang po ako na tumayo rin sa harap ng mga tao at nagsalita sa harap nila. Then, the second time, for the second stage of my education, alam ko na po kung ano ang kahalagahan ng tumayo dito sa harapan at magbasa ng speech ulit as the first honor. And now, I am with rostrum and microphone again. For the third time in my life, I am here, standing in front of you and delivering my valedictory speech. I have continued achieving my goals and achievements, and I am so thankful I have made it again. First, I want to thank my first schools, Our Lady of Los Angeles and Santa Maria Academy, and to my mentors, where I got my first foundations of learning and molded me as a good individual. Second, I want to express my gratitude to our beloved alma mater, the Colegio Monterrey de Pila, for firmly believing that education is a very important ingredient in shaping our future. To the faculty and staff of our prestigious school, thank you for helping me achieve what I have achieved right now. To my subject teachers, Ma'am Trina, for leading us to correct pronunciations and grammar. Ma'am Jenny, for opening our minds to the economic world and how to value our own Filipino language. Sir Froy, for having us explore our career pathways and other technological and livelihood aspect of life, and as well as being the patient advisor of CMP Glee and Jamin Lyre. Sir Kenneth, for letting us experience physics. Favorite ko kasi yung subject niya, kaya para sa kanya, pag bumabagsak ako, lagi niya akong pinagsasabihan. The bonding we get through you would never be forgotten, especially when you are singing OKM. OKM? What does OKM stand for? Well, it is Original Kenneth's Music. To Ma'am Lolit, though she's not here, for she has opened my mind on how to be optimistic that I can, and for having her as my second mom here at school. Ma'am Remy, for being the coolest and very supportive lola of 4th Batch 2012. Thank you, Lola. To Kuya Jojo, who's always been my companion whenever I'm late. And if I had forgotten something important, he's bringing those things for me at the 4th year room. Thank you po, Kuya Jojo. Sir Toti, isang magandang gabi. Ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng kaalamang itinuro ninyo sa akin at sa buong pamunuan ng CMP Talo Troop. Dadalhin ko po ang aking mga natutunan at ang lahat ng inyong ibinahagi saan man po ako makarating. Sapagkat naniniwala po ako na nananalay sa akin ang dugo ng isang tunay na mandadula. Mr. Rafaelito Po, our respected and so honored advisor, our math teacher, has been my inspiration to keep in mind that math is not hard to deal with. Nung unang-una pa lamang po, sinabi ko kay Sir, para sa kanya, pagbubutihan ko ang math dahil math ang kahinaan ko. I love math, and we love math. That's what he taught us. He also cultivated in our minds the values we should have. Hindi mawawala ng values ang lahat ng itinuturo niya sa amin. And that's why he is our idol. He's one of a kind and he's my idol. He's a good friend and a father to us, sobra. Diba, 4th year? Naaalala ko pa, when at times na down ako, sinabi sa akin ni Sir, it's just a slip, not a fall. So stand up, gather your forces, and try again, Miss Bagonggon. Lahat ng sinasabi niya, absorb na absorb talaga namin palagi. At Sir, mamimiss ko po ang lagi ninyong pagkarga sa akin na parang niyo akong baby. So to you, my Daddy Paeng, thank you so much. And of course, I would like to thank Dr. and Mrs. Monreal for offering the unique and high-standard education here at our dear alma mater, and also its values-oriented curriculum which lead us to be disciplined individuals. All of your advices, dear teachers, will not be forgotten, and that I will cherish them until the end. Alam niyo po ba na 2 years lang po ako dito sa CMB. And in my stay here at CMB, masasabi ko na parang matagal na nila akong kasama. Matagal na ako sa komunidad na ito. I have found friends. Thank you to those whom I considered as my real friends and close friends. And to those whom I could share not only my laughter, but also my sadness. My heartfelt gratitude to those whom I considered as my true brothers and sisters. Especially Ate Carla Monreal. To my best, Jen, Ira, and Rayan, and most of all, to the one who gave me this handkerchief. Thank you. To my beloved best friends. My beloved kasi may coincidences po sa amin. Ang my beloved na palabas sa 7. Miss Ara Marie Sarmiento Lapugot and Mr. Aaron Virgilio or Matang Villar. Naalala ko pa noon, sinabi sa akin ni Yabs. Sabi niya, minsan kasi Yabs, hindi ka kasi dapat payuhan. Minsan kailangan ka kasi batukan. Tapos ayun, sa tuwing kinukulit ko siya sa mga kono nung sinasabi ko, lagi ako may batok. At saka iiyak ko sa mga walang kwentang bagay. Sinabi sa akin ni Chio na, paano mo kasi makikita yung tama kung lagi kang umiiyak sa mali? We had so much fun and sadness in our lives, but I know, kahit mixed emotions pa ang nararamdaman natin, we're like a family. Kahit na may mga lumisan na, nagsilipatan ng ibang bansa, ngunit mayroon ding nagsipagdatingan. Sumama sa ating magulo, ngunit masayang samahan. Sa pag-uumpisa na mamulat sa mga bagay-bagay sa mundo, sa unang pagkakaroon ng mga crush at ligawan, mga kalokohang hindi maawat-awat, sa walang humpay na tawanan, at maging sa lahat ng aspeto, damay-damay tayo. Madadakdakan, masisigawan, mapapagalitan at masesermonan. Pero sa kabila ng lahat ng iyon, tuloy pa rin ang buhay. Tuloy pa rin ang kulitan, ang asaran, ang kantahan dito, chismisan doon, at ang kwentuhan dito, tapos may kainan doon. Eh ito malala. Tug, 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 tug. Sobrang kabado. Bakit? Dahil sa pagkataranta sa mga pagkakataong pwedeng mag-term paper tayo. Sa pagkakaisang maglaro ng mga pambatang laro. Gaya ng jackstone, ng bengsak, sekyo at iba pa. At syempre, meron pa. Hindi pwedeng mawala ang laging paggigitara. At ang walang kamatayang paggala sa plaza. Pagkatapos makaalwan sa mga exams, dayuhin ng proven at better than buko kung tawagin. Habang ang mga larawan ay sadyang nakaimbang na lamang sa mga kamera. O di kaya na may i-upload agad kinagabihan. So to you, my dearest friends and classmates, I love you and thank you so much for you are always there for me. Fourth, to all our parents, thank you. I believe you were proud because out of the economic crisis that we are experiencing right now, you still pursue your obligations. Not only because of your responsibility, because of your love for us, your children. And maybe will not be joining the march today kung hindi nila tayo na disiplina. Most probably, you will agree with me kapag pinagagalitan kayo because it's already 10. Or past 10 na, pero hindi ka pa rin natutulog. Kasi naman, may mga tinatapos ka pang gawain. O di kaya naman ay 8 or 9 na, pero wala pa rin tayo sa bahay. Kasi may project na kailangan pang tapusin. I want to thank my proud and loving parents. For my father, thank you for your sacrifices working abroad, for giving me a good education, though I know it's not that easy. Your task, especially you were away from your family. Thank you, Papa. At kahit na wala man po kayo rito ngayon, maraming salamat po at para sa inyo, ito. For my mother, who is always there for me no matter what happens. Thank you for your love and perseverance of guiding me through all the way. This is not just a promise, but words of love, Mama, Papa. That all those sacrifices that you encounter in order for me to become a good daughter and a good person, I will return it back, full of love and sincerity. I love you so much, Papa, and I love you so much, Mama. And at last but not the least, I want to sincerely give thanks to God, for He is my source of strength and guidance through all these years. Despite the hardships and difficulties I have encountered, I am strong. I am strong because He's always on my side. Lord, thank you so much, and may you continue to bless and guide us through our daily lives. It is really tough for me leaving my alma mater, whom I have learned to love and respect. I don't want to say goodbye to you. Instead, thank you. Thank you for all the good and sweet memories to be cherished forever. I wouldn't be here in front of you if you didn't help me all the way to reach this glorious success. And I may say, this is not only the end, but it is just also the beginning of looking forward to our bright future. The vision of a good life will apprehend through the vision of a good spirit and positive thinking. Allow me to quote to you one adage from the great Nelson Mandela, who said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." For me, having education, strong determination, and good spirit will bring us to uplift our dreams in life. That's why I will say, go for it. Sabi nga nila, libre ang mangarap. So mangangarap ka na rin lang. Yung pinakamataas na, di ba? We must visualize our future, taking it into our own hands, striving excellence with our will to do it perfectly. So once again, congratulations. Congratulations for achieving excellence in academics, athletics, and the arts, both in school and out. Congratulations not only to you graduates, but also to our teachers, parents, friends, families, and administrators. Our success is your success. Good evening and God bless us all.